Good afternoon once again. Today is Wednesday, the 2nd of December. We've got some interesting news coming out of the bank sector, so let's get straight into it. Bingo, bango, away we go. So first off the blocks, Westpac, ANZ and CommBank have come together and founded a company called Ligon, which is going to provide a blockchain solution, which is going to take the existing bank guarantees, the traditional paper bank guarantees, and put them onto a blockchain. Now this is expected to have major benefits for the banks. The banks are expected to be able to expect a vastly reduced contract negotiation time between leaseor and leasee, and it's also expected to completely wipe out fraud. By doing this, Ligon has really put the first step in place to becoming a major player within the blockchain solution industry, but also more specifically within this space, within providing financial sort of contract solutions, smart contract solutions. They've not hidden their plans for expansion. After this initial success in Australia, they are planning to move pretty quickly into New Zealand and, change the banking game over there as well. Secondly, to continue our theme with the banks, the watchdog that was set up, in the wake of the Royal Banking Commission has essentially found that 20,000 deceased people have been charged fees from their banks knowingly. The banks knew they were dead over a 6-month period. More than $100 million in fees were charged to these 20,000 deceased people. It was only 2 banks that did make up 73% of the violations. However, 19 banks in Australia have signed the new accord. I don't personally see why you should have a new agreement to, not charge dead people, but this is the time we live in. 2020 is a funny year, isn't it? And lastly, in trading news, Bitcoin, Ethereum, wowie, what a bit of movement we've seen. It's good movement. Bitcoin's hit 12K. It's been there before. It did drop off a tiny bit after. Can we expect a rise? Who knows, as always. Ethereum did hit a 2-year high as well. It did drop off slightly afterwards, but that's okay. That's always to be expected with a bit of a sell-off. And overnight, judging by the chart, you can obviously see there was a good 24-hour performance by all the cryptos. That's all for today though. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you again next time. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Never forget that. All the best. Bye-bye.